Welcome to the SUSHEAT videocast, exploring sustainable innovations to decarbonize industrial heat, from high-temperature heat pumps to renewable energy, from thermal energy storage to smart integration with AI. We'll explore the technologies shaping a cleaner future. Join us every quarter for expert insights and the latest SUSHEAT updates. We are kicking off the SUSHEAT videocast with Professor Ruben Barbero, coordinator from UNED, Spain. In this episode, he shares the project's vision, goals, and UNED's key contributions. Can you briefly introduce yourself and your role in the SUSHEAT project?
Yes, I'm Ruben Barbero. I'm an associate professor at UNED, Universidad de Educación a Distancia. It's a university in Spain. And together with the rest of the team at Thermal Systems and Renewable Energy Research Group, I'm coordinating the project. So my role is mainly related with guide the efforts of the different partners.
And what does being the project coordinator entail on a day-to-day basis?
It involves a lot of the tasks, technical supervision, administrative management, and also some other activities related with coordinating all the activities that every partner do. So it entails a lot of work, but for me it's a privilege because I'm coordinating a project with a very big potential to be a real solution for the future.
What were the main challenges and opportunities you faced while coordinating a multi-partner EU-funded project like SUSHEAT?
Always a multi-partner is a big challenge because there are different backgrounds, different expectations about the project, so it is always a challenge. But in this case, we had a very great team with people that know what they have to do. So every challenge becomes an opportunity to make some connection, to work together, to research together, to learn, and to have contributions among different disciplines and different countries.
For those unfamiliar, what is SUSHEAT and what problem is it trying to solve in industrial heat processes?
Okay, SUSHEAT is a project, it's a solution for the decarbonization of the industry. It takes advantage of waste heat and also renewable energy and thermal energy storage, all integrated. The head of the project is a heat pump, a high temperature heat pump, able to add great heat up to 250 degrees, and all together are guided and controlled by tools based on AI. So all together will contribute in the future to the decarbonization of the industry around Europe or even worldwide.
Why is decarbonizing industrial heat such a critical issue for Europe's and global energy transition?
Industry is a large consumer of fossil fuels, so it is important to decarbonize this sector. In the case of the process heating, they consume around 37% of the energy demand, and so it is important in the case of the temperature range below 200 degrees. So tackling this consume is important for the industry in Europe, and is the range where our solution operates.
UNED, through the Thermal Systems and Renewable Energy Group, plays a key role in SUSHEAT. Could you explain what your team brings to the project?
Okay, in the case of UNED, we are coordinating the project, and we also have a very comprehensive perspective of all the equipment that are integrated in the solution. So this general overview can help guiding the integration in an optimal way in the solution.
How do your expertise areas, which include thermal systems, thermoeconomic analysis, life cycle assessment, and renewable energy, integrate into SUSHEAT's ecosystem?
In the case of the TA and LCA, they give us a view of cost effectiveness of the solution and also the impact that we will have with our solution. And in the case of the renewable energy, it is important to integrate this renewable energy and take advantage of the waste heat and combine all the sources to have an optimal solution in any industry.
Is there already an example of how UNED's technologies or methodologies have influenced the design or optimization of SUSHEAT solutions?
Yes, we have helped to design the layout at KT8, and we are guiding part of this integration in the project. This general overview of the project is really helping to have an optimized integrated system for the solution, and will be key for the replication cases because we will apply to other industries.
And why is it important to combine approaches like TEA, LCA, and digital twins when developing sustainable industrial heat solutions?
As I said, TA and LCA are very important tools to assess one, the cost effectiveness, and other, the impact, the environmental impact. And in the case of digital twin, it offers us a tool that can aid or guide the operation to be optimal. So all of them, the three of these technologies can help to have an optimized solution for any industry.
What are the most significant results or breakthroughs achieved so far in SUSHEAT?
Well, we are approaching to key moments of the project. We will commission in next month the test rig, but up to now we have reached important milestones. We have our technologies developed. We had integrated all these elements to any use cases. We have evaluated also the potential of the solution. The last but not the least is that we have a lot of the companies that are interested in being early adopters of the technology. So this is definitely a very great ground to the future developments and the future results.
Based on these findings and projections, how do we envision the future of industrial heat processes in the next 10 to 15 years?
It's difficult to say because it's changing a lot, but for sure there will be a more cleaner and sustainable solution to supply heat to the industry. I think, or I guess that every solution like SUSHEAT will become a standard for the industry supply of heat.
What role will renewable energy and digitalization play in that transformation?
They are very, very important because I think that renewable energy is growing, its share in supplying heat to the industry, and digitalization for sure it will be very important to take advantage of this type of solution where you have to operate in an optimal way. Digital tools will help a lot.
If you could give one message to policymakers or industry leaders about the importance of projects like SUSHEAT, what would it be?
Something to say to the policymaker is that we have here the technology is ready, we have the solution, and I think that we need perhaps the support and the funding in order to overcome some of the barriers that we had, perhaps the upfront costs and the lack of real demonstrators. So supporting projects like SUSHEAT is very important to overcome these barriers.
What's next for SUSHEAT after the project ends? Are there plans for further research or commercialization?
Our plans, and I think that these are the plans of every partner in the consortium, is to continue with the solution because it has a very big potential. So I think it's important for the European Union to have partners that want to continue with the development of this solution and to elevate the TRL until commercialization.
Subscribe for more episodes and stay connected with SUSHEAT. Follow us on LinkedIn, X and Blue Sky. Visit our website to sign up for the newsletter. Don't miss the latest news and breakthroughs in industrial heat decarbonisation.